so excited to become Mrs. Brandt. I have been looking forward to this day since day one. The day you and I first met, I knew you were my forever. I am so thankful to have met you during nursing school. You have been my rock since the beginning and continue to be my rock. You are the sweetest father to Harper, the most loving person I have ever met, and you have the biggest heart. You never give up on anything, no matter how hard any tasks are. I am so thankful to have met you. Thank you for being my best friend. I love you deeply, and I will always love you forever and always.
As I sit here before our wedding, I think about my life up to this point, and I know that the reason I'm here today is because my life is infinitely better with you in it. You've been my biggest fan since day one, way back at the start of nursing school. You always put me first, you're kind, loving, you motivate me, and you bring a happiness to my life that I never had before. In addition to all that, you're the best mother to our baby girl Harper. I don't think I could ever do or say anything that would really show you how thankful I am for you giving me our little girl. I feel so lucky that I now get to spend the rest of my life with you and Harper. This is only the beginning of our story, and there's so much more to come. I'm so excited to see what our future holds for us. But for now, I'll see you at the altar. I love you, Ashley.
You're always mine. I hold my breath, no give and take. I could never walk away. The giving ground, no back and forth. I promise you I'm always yours, and you're always mine. You're always mine. You're always mine. I hold my breath, no give and take. I could never walk away. The giving ground, no back and forth. I promise